First up, the IT guy literally deleting your final part. And he sticks the landing. This guy, he's just diving headfirst into his problems. This parrot does not like pecking. This one's got a hat. And a friend who's not impressed. What is that? Someone's on the phone. Oh, he said shut up. This cockatoo is ready for his big entrance. Look at him go. Just helping stir the coffee. Nothing to see here. And now a song from the master musician. He's playing the flute. This little guy loves the sound of his own beat. The dinner bell has rung. This one's got beef with the spray bottle. He's coming for you. What does he even have? Finally, the gentleman.